I got a package from Barnes & Noble. It is not a book. I'm really excited for it. So I think this is one... I struggle. Okay. There we go. It's Fox, Dumbledore's Phoenix Lego set. I heard this one's actually being retired this year, and I was able to get it for 74 cents because I had so much in Target and Barnes & Noble gift cards. So yeah, I'm excited to put it together, and I'm actually surprised the box isn't damaged for it being in the mail. They put a couple of these in there. But yeah, but I'm excited to put it together. Look how cute he is. He's so cute.